here to spend our evening at the Central Park that is in Tashkent.
The closest metro station is Hamid Olimjon, which is a 5-minute walk from here.
I got all 10 shots.
Even though he got 10 shots, I think it was not his doing, but it was just that the game was pretty easy.
Yeah.
Right, Peter. I'm coming to get you.
Hey guys!
Right now we have come to Eco Park, which seems like a pretty good place for a stroll. There are also some kiosks selling ice creams and coffees for you to grab a bite. The Hero Park, which offers laser tag style archery, is also operational here. It is in that direction. There are private bookings for it that you must book 2 days in advance.
Hey guys! Right now we're at Tashkent City Park. We came here in the evening because we thought it was gonna be lively. So let's go and check it out. Hey guys! So right now we are at Hotel Uzbekistan and this is where our tour is going to start from. We have taken the walking tour, but there is also a bus tour that basically goes around the whole city. This is what the bus looks like. You can go at intervals of 1 hour up to 5 o'clock. And we will share more details of the tour and the bus tour in the description.
One city, another city, which is the old one. Of course, it is the main city, right? That's why written in Arabic, sex and justice. Many people think that a secret of success of the world.
Now we're at the metro station, which is quite an economical mode of transport here. The prices are subsidized since they are primarily used by students, which is also the reason why the stations are chock-a-block, but in spite of that, they're kept spick and span and revive their quaint charm.
Wingardium Leviosa. Today we are at Magic City. No, stop. You're saying it all wrong. It's Leviosa, not Leviosa.
Well, anyway, no spell is gonna work over here. We need to go inside for that. So let's go!
Now let's go to Magic Park, which is an indoor area for rides in Magic City.
in this we need to wear gloves so that we don't leave finger impressions on the mirror. When you go inside, you can't take the gloves off and start touching the mirror. You need to keep them on the entire time till the game is ended. So let's go inside. Oh, I was expecting that. This is... Okay, got it. Oh, this is a bit... That was really exciting and really nice.
I'm not looking at mirrors ever again.
So really good to take these off. Just come out of Magic City and you will need approximately 4.5 to 5 hours to cover everything nicely and also be relaxed at the same time. In the evening, it got a little bit cold, so I think you should layer up accordingly. In the day, you're going to feel like, no, it's too hot, I don't want to layer up at all. But you should carry something for the evening because it does get quite cold. The fountain show doesn't happen in winters, it only happens in summers. So that's another thing that you want to keep in mind. We just got in our cab, so we had to rush to get out of that place, but I think we had a lot of fun and we would definitely recommend that you come here, whether you're an adult or a child.